Hey everybody and welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about how to make video with Playground AI. So over here you can see we have Playground AI. All we need to do is simply head over to the type of video that we want to create. We need to simply type in here the prompt for that. So you can see create a UGC video for random product, and all you need to do is simply hit on to this generate option. It does gives you free credits if you are creating a new account. You can see it is gonna be generating a video in a couple of seconds. So you need to do is wait, and you can also explore all different features that are provided by the site. You can see you have this edit section as well. In here you can edit the created video that is being generated. We have this video editor section, and we can even record live as well if you want to do that. So yeah, basically this gives you a room to create really nice looking AI videos for your tools. Let's just go back to the create section, and we're gonna be simply waiting for the generation to be ready. So it is actually you can see this is one of a video that is being generated, and let's just see how it is looking. So it is taking a bit time to load, but this is a basic preview. Let me just show you how it looks.
I was so tired of my phone dying by lunchtime single day. Then I found this portable charger. It's literally the size of a lipstick, but it gives me 2 full charges. I just toss it in my purse and I never worry about my battery again. It charges super fast too. Like, I'm talking 30 minutes and I'm back to.
And this is how simple it is to create a video with Playground AI.